Pleasant greetings to everyone on the DRS91 FX vlog channel, marketing channel, lifestyle channel. Time is 11:31 a.m. the 30th of March. Only one more day and April is upon us. Wow, the year is moving so fast. Hope you guys staying safe. Remember, hit that subscribe button. We are currently at 32 subscribers on the marketing channel. We're gonna be working our way up to 100. But in order for me to reach 100 subscribers, I need your help. So if you like the content that I've been dishing out, the diversity of it, hit that subscribe button. I got tons more for you guys. You're going to learn and benefit from this channel in terms of affiliate marketing, Forex trading, and just how to do an online business. I'm going to show you how to get it done. So, got a Forex video for you guys today. It's about sticking to one asset or trading just one Forex pair. Now, or just one asset overall. Let me explain, because we often say we are Forex traders, but we don't actually only trade Forex pairs. You can trade silver, gold, indices. Those are not Forex pairs. Those are commodities and so on, respectively. So, what am I looking at right now? I'm looking at GBP USD. Now, the benefits of trading one asset is that you can plan the asset better, focus on the entry and the money management. You are not going to be risking too much of your overall account balance. And on top of that, it puts you in a position in which your account stays more safe, if I can word it like that. You're not all over the place. So you're going to be focusing on this asset, and if you're an all-rounder like me, you stand a chance when the market conditions present itself to day trade, scalp, swing trade, and even position trade. Now, GBP USD is an asset that I am looking to focus on for the month of April. And reason being is the overall potential that this asset is providing for me at this present moment. Quickly, let's get into it. The structure of this asset right now, what is it telling me? It is giving me a potential for a decisive market break. The price can go as far as 1.49996. Let's just put it to 150. Let's go for the algorithm number in Forex. So with this current setup, I stand a chance of maximizing an overall 1,171 pips. And if the asset price decide that it's going back south, meaning that the historical move of the asset is going to come through via a sell-off, well, I stand to see the asset price make a decisive break and continue going down. My technical analysis is going to assist me in this manner. Reason being is that it's going to give me that overall setup structure that I'm looking for, and I can then proceed to look at my target areas on my chart. The target areas on my chart are going to assist me. How are they going to assist me? They are going to show me areas on the chart where I'm expecting price to go to should the asset price break a certain level. And that target area is not only going to give me some pips, it's going to give me a greater forecast of where the price of the asset is going to go for the long term. Now, I know many traders are trading the GU right now. It's a sweet setup. But we have to admit, the rabbit season, the stop out month of March, hasn't been quite kind to us. So many persons had to kind of brag a couple pips, draw out, and go back to the drawing board. I was waiting with so much patience for that breakout move, but it didn't happen. Now I'm seeing the market shaping up, giving structure. So the next thing in my, sticking to this one asset, I am overall waiting patiently. I'm timing the asset. So while I'm doing my technical analysis, I'm looking at the opportunities that are being presented to me as a Forex trader on the GU. I am calculating how much pips I can make. Tomorrow's the 31st, so last day in the month of March. So it's going to be the end of month period. I have the NFP coming up on the first Friday in the week of April. So I have all that to factor in. So I'm looking at the dollar index quite naturally. I'm looking at the potential move of the price. And I'm also seeing the different styles that I can enter in. If you were selling earlier, naturally, you'd be day trading around this region. If you are currently timing the asset price to go to 1.36799, you're waiting to see if price is going to retest this area, make a move back to the top, or you're waiting to see if asset price is going to break. Understand that a break is going to give us roughly how much more pips? 111 pips on the way down. So that's all. When you're focusing on one asset, you start to pinpoint the different potentials that the market can give you overall on the chart. You start to see the sweet spots of the asset, as I often term it, and you start to plan. Now, money management is of the essence. You do not under any circumstance want to risk too much of your overall account balance. So while I'm looking at this asset and I'm seeing the potential, I'm also thinking to myself, all right, what lot size I'm going to enter in. I don't want to risk 3% of my total account balance. Calculate that amount. What else should I do? What market period I'm in? Should I enter at this present moment, or should I wait for this other market session coming up to see what can take place? So, you have to, while focusing on one asset, know what market conditions work best for that asset and is suitable for that asset, so you guys can profit, get a proper profit, so to speak, and capitalize on it. Now, I want you guys to pay close attention to this zone. This is the area of liquidity. This is a target zone. The reason why it is important is because it's a make or break area. Market movement can get erratic into this area. As you can see clearly, we have already entered into that zone. So either A, price is going to break my floor, go further down into this area of liquidity, or I'm going to see asset price hold to this area and give me a buy-off coming up. Next session coming up is what? Sydney market session, followed by the Asian session. So I'm watching. Should the buy-off come through, right here would be a good entry area. I would have to go on the M15 chart and I can get a better look at the structure, and I can quickly map out my different levels, partial profit collection area here, and continued profit should asset price break above this region. And that's how you pencil it out. So guys, showing you this to give you guys a better understanding of the overall planning and procedures needed in order for you to capitalize properly in Forex. Once you focus on one asset, you take off a lot of stress off of yourself. You're not going to be over trading. You're not going to be opening up too much trades at once, only to see all of them go against you. My recommendation to every single Forex trader is see to it that you at least try your utmost best. Get an entry at a lot size that is not detrimental to your overall balance, and see if you can get that trade at least $50 in profit. Yes, you heard me right. At least $50 in profit. You're going to feel so good. The reward, you can imagine closing out a trade at $50. You would be accomplishing something that many traders only imagine about. Oftentimes traders enter, most of the time the trade immediately goes off into a loss. I hope that these videos that I'm giving you and these steps and instructions and just the focus that I'm driving into you guys will put you in a situation in which you realize that once I just focus on one asset, I am essentially doing myself a big favor. So here we are, asset prices in a stop on zone. As I showed you guys, the market price is doing exactly what we expected it to do. So we just have to see. I personally, who is watching this, have to see what's going to happen. This approach can be applied to practically every single other asset. So this is not a strategy per se, but more of an advice, showing you guys what you need to do depending on your style of trading, whether a swing trader, day trader. Focusing on one asset, you take off so much pressure off yourself and you're not overexposing yourself on the market. Hope you guys like this video. Ton more is on the way. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Like this video so you can get some, push. YouTube is not the same like one thing. You have to hit that subscribe bell and you have to click on all. That way you guys can see my videos. If you don't do that, you're not gonna see my videos. YouTube is crowded right now. So, alright everyone, looking forward to your comments. Peace out. Stay tuned for the other videos.